Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and update games faster on your Xbox Series X. Now, the first thing you want to do is close any game you have. So I have Fortnite on my home screen. I'm going to press the button with 3 lines on it, and I'm going to go to quit, and quit out of any application you have open. So let's quit out of this. Now, once you have all the games closed, let's go up to settings right here and select this. Then go to general and we can go to network settings. Now, if you have your Xbox Series X connected with a LAN cable, your connection speed is going to be much quicker. So I can go to test network and speed statistics, and you can see my download speed is 695 right here when it's connected. Now, if you are going to be connected wirelessly, you should be connecting to the 5 gigahertz connections, or in the future, possibly 6 gigahertz. So if you do have a 5 gigahertz connections, connect to that. So my 5 gigahertz is Miss Beast or Scump at my house. And when you connect to the network, you can see if it's 5 gigahertz or 2.4 or maybe even 6. So mine says Scump 5 gigahertz. And you can see my download speed has dropped significantly. It's at 259. So if you have really good internet at your house, you could be losing a lot of that just because you're connected wirelessly. So connected wired if you have that option. Now let's back out of this screen and go to the main settings menu. Go to general and then go on over to power options. And there's 2 different power options. One is the energy saver mode. We want to go to the sleep mode and activate this one. Both of them do download the games and updates in the background, but the sleep mode will do a little bit quicker. So once we have this selected and activated, let's go to customize power options. Then scroll on down and make sure this is checkmarked. Keep my console up to date. Keep my games and apps up to date. Then go up to where it says when console is off, turn off storage. So uncheckmark this. Now let's back out here. Press the Xbox button, go to My Games and Apps, then go to See All, then we can scroll on down to Manage, and then go to Keep My Games Up to Date right here, and just make sure these 2 options are check marked. And then we can go up to the updates right here and select them. And if we have any available updates, manually select the updates right here, and then they will be sent to the specific queue. And now it's in my queue right here, so let's go to it. And then we can pause it by selecting the button with 3 lines on it. Go to pause. So stop downloading, and let's resume it. Resume the installation. Otherwise, we can go to pause all and then resume it. And sometimes just doing this actually will get it to download a little bit quicker. So now you can actually see the download speed. So mine says it's at about 357, 360 right now. So come to this section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.